You can customize the corresponding single line diagram for each single switchboard or panel. Easily modify the specifications of each individual device. Add new panels directly from the tree menu structure. Connect the strings on the new panels with appropriate functions or with a simple drag and drop. Visualize the new associations on the single line diagram. Once the cable installation method and length has been defined, quickly get the voltage drop verification data. That you can solve with the calculation procedure.